The maintenance technician receives a call from operations, indicating that the shovel arm does not lift. He arrives and realizes that the lift command is not getting to the front attachment. The fault code on the operator's display indicates a communication error between the control lever and the control panel. Upon examination, the tech notices that the control lever is damaged. He replaces the defective part and the shovel is brought back into service. Let us assume the role of the technician and complete the work order form
using the Mesh Event Capture user interface.
As the technician, having executed the job,
I'll log into the Mesh Event Capture app.
This is a table of open work orders. I'll filter on my work order code
and hit the Asset Hierarchy icon.
I can search for the failure mode by drilling down into the system, component, function, and so on, but an easier way would be to enter a few characters into the search box. Let's try lever and hit the search button. The tree expands, spotlighting the paths to all failure modes containing the search string lever. There are several hits, but we quickly recognize the failure mode we're looking for. Just to make sure, as the technician, I'll right-click it and select View. I'll examine the effects, consequences, and current mitigation plan. Satisfied that this is the failure mode that has failed, I'll hit Select and Functional Failure because my company has incurred the operational consequences of this failure mode.
This innovative yet simple event capture procedure will ensure that a predictive replacement algorithm will benefit from a consistent learning set. Thank you.